Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline i96 on this brand new Range Rover Sport Diesel 2022. We're just going to do a quick video for our customers that we fitted Starlines to actually change the code, on how to change the code and how to find out which buttons work. So very simple. Just as always, turn the start button on so you get your ignition on. Insert your original code that you've set. So on here we've done something basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our melody. Okay, then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times that I know is on the network. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start button off, pause and back on. You will get 5 bleeps. Okay, we're now in learn mode and I'm going to do a thing called a button sniff. So basically the buttons that work on this vehicle I already know. So when I touch them, if they give me a bleep, means I can use them. So yes, yes, that one, that one, that one, that one, and these 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to turn the ignition off and I'll start all over again, but this time I actually do a code change. I know which buttons we can use. So basically now, if we turn the start button on and disarm the system, do our code. So 1, 2, 1, 2, receive our disarm melody. Okay, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start button off, pause and back on. We received 5 beats, so we're now on learn. So now I'm just going to do something very basic. So I'm going to do the cancel button 3 times, but I can do a variation of buttons like you saw on the disarm code. So 1, 2, 3. We'll wait for a confirmation melody to say it's accepting that code. There we have it. And then again, 1, 2, 3. There you go, same double bleep. Turn the start button off. That means the code is now learnt. If I give it about 10 seconds, we'll try the old code, see if that works. You'll see it won't work. And then we'll turn the ignition off, turn it back on and try the new code. So as I say, start button on, old code, not working, no disarm. So let's try the new code. Start button off, back on. Let's try the new code. So 1, 2, 3. Code is now done. So this is how you learn the code change on our Starline i96. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you. Bye bye.